Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix no internet secured error on Windows. So if you encounter this kind of error, then let's go quick into the process. First is we need to make sure there is no proxy enabled on our Windows. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type proxy settings. Click on proxy settings under the best match. Now make sure that you use a proxy server. This is off. So if this is turned on in your case, simply turn this off. And we also need to click on save. And we also need to do this for the LAN settings. So go ahead in the Windows search bar, type internet options. Click on internet options under the best match. Now here in the Internet Properties window, you need to click on the Connections tab. In here, you'll find the LAN settings, local area network LAN settings. Click on LAN settings. Then here you will find this proxy server. So if this is checked in your Windows, then you need to also uncheck this to turn off the proxy server. And then you have to click on OK and click on OK again. Then for the next method is go ahead in the Windows search bar, type ncpa.cpl, control panel item, simply click on that. Now here you need to locate your connection, the same thing for Ethernet or Wi-Fi, make a right click, select disable. Wait for some time, and then make a right click, select enable. Now once enabled, make a right click on it again, select properties. Now here in the properties window, you need to scroll down and look for the Internet Protocol version 6. Now if this is enabled in your case, then you have to uncheck this to disable the IPv6. And then scroll up and you'll find the Internet Protocol version 4, double click. Make sure that you're going to choose these two options, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. Click on OK and click on OK again and close this window. And for the final method, click on the Start button and go to Settings. Click on Network and Internet. Then scroll down and you'll find Advanced Network Settings. Then you'll find Network Reset. Then you have to click on the Reset Now button. And afterwards, you need to make sure that you remember your connection password because you have to enter that again, and that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.